Ever been lost in the woods, the sun sinking lower with each passing minute? You never know when you might get caught in an unexpected situation. So prepared for any situation, these 5 essential survival gadgets are must-haves for every man out there. So, let's jump right into it. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The Whand Hatchet isn't just another camping axe. This versatile tool is a survivalist's dream, offering a ton of functionality in a compact package. Made from 4mm thick, high-quality 3CR13 stainless steel, the Whand Hatchet is built to withstand tough use. It's lightweight too, coming in at under 27 ounces, so you won't feel weighed down when carrying it on your back. This hatchet tackles a variety of tasks. The unique axe head design features multiple cutting edges, making it perfect for chopping firewood, clearing brush, and splitting kindling for your campfire. The Whand Hatchet comes with a mall-compatible sheath. This lets you attach it securely to your backpack or bug-out bag, keeping it readily accessible when you need it. Overall, the Whand Hatchet is a survival must-have. It's compact, lightweight, and offers incredible versatility. Forget bulky lighters and unreliable butane refills. The Solar Brothers Suncase is a game-changer for fire starting. This isn't just your average solar lighter. It's a powerful, eco-friendly way to get a fire going no matter where you are. This lighter uses concentrated sunlight to create a focal point, reaching temperatures hot enough to ignite tinder, wood, paper, and even incense in just 3 seconds. No more struggling with damp matches or dead lighters. The Suncase's innovative case does double duty. It protects the lighter and acts as a built-in stand, allowing you to easily capture sunlight at any angle. This means you can get a flame going any time of day, as long as there's some sun peeking through. Weighing in at a mere 12 grams, the Suncase is feather light and ultra-compact. It easily fits in your pocket or attaches to your backpack, making it the perfect companion for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. While flashlight might be in the name, the Wicked Laser's flash torch is in a league of its own. This isn't your average grocery store pickup. It's a powerful portable sunbeam designed for those who demand the most from their gear. With a whopping 4,100 lumen of intense white light, the flash torch cuts through darkness like a knife. The flash torch's incredible heat makes it a survivalist's dream. Need to start a campfire in a pinch? The flash torch can easily light tinder or dry leaves, getting your fire going quickly and efficiently. Whether you're navigating a pitch-black forest or need a high-powered searchlight, this flashlight delivers. Machined from military-grade anodized aluminum, the flash torch can take a beating. It's built to withstand harsh environments and accidental drops, giving you peace of mind when you need it most. The Wicked Laser's flash torch is more than just a flashlight. It's a powerful tool for anyone who ventures into the dark. The SOG Baton Q2 Multitool might look unassuming, but don't let its sleek design fool you. This little guy is a powerhouse of functionality, perfectly suited for everyday tasks or unexpected emergencies. The Baton Q2 features a durable anodized aluminum body. At the heart of the Baton Q2 is a 2.5-inch 5CR15 mauve steel blade, capable of handling a variety of cutting tasks with ease. It's lightweight for easy carrying, yet tough enough to handle daily use. It also includes a medium flat screwdriver, ideal for tightening loose screws or making quick repairs. And of course, there's a bottle opener, a must-have for any adventurer. The Baton Q2 integrates a 70-lumen LED flashlight. It's bright enough for illuminating close quarters or signaling for help, and the water-resistant O-ring ensures it functions even in damp conditions. Staying hydrated and nourished is crucial in any survival situation. The Valtcan Titanium Canteen goes beyond just being a water bottle. It's a complete hydration and eating system designed for those who demand durability, functionality, and portability. Constructed from lightweight yet incredibly strong titanium, the Valtcan Canteen is built to withstand harsh conditions and heavy use. Titanium is corrosion-resistant, so you can trust your canteen to last for years to come. The 1.1-liter canteen provides ample hydration capacity for extended outings. No need to worry about running out of water on the trail. The Valtcan Canteen isn't just a water bottle, It's a mess kit too. Included are 2 stackable cups, one 750 milliliters and one 400 milliliters, perfect for eating meals or sharing drinks. The foldable handles on the cups make them compact and easy to store when not in use. The included carrying case keeps everything organized and protected. It features multiple pockets for storing additional gear and a maul design for attaching it to your backpack. And there you have it. 5 essential survival gadgets that every man should carry. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or facing a disaster situation, these gadgets are sure to come in handy when you need them most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.